Hello, my lovely ladies and gents. So I really have a bit of an announcement for you today and an invitation for you. So I have a huge amount of new fans and followers here, which I'm just so thankful for and so happy to have you around. So much so that I have decided to run a free class for all of you again. I say again because I did run this class at the end of last year, several months ago, and it was a huge success. And so I want to offer it to you again, mostly of course to all of my new people here that didn't see it the last time before. So what is this free class? It's going to be a free refashion starter class. So the idea is to give you a little taste of refashioning and sewing and seeing what you can do so that you get a small little win and you're going to feel really good about wanting to learn and getting started. You'll see just how easy it is. So this class is how to put inseam pockets. So that's the ones in the side seams, you know, that usually go in the side seams, not this dress. In the side, like those inseam pockets, so that's the ones in the side seams, how to put them in anything. So any garment that you already own, I'm going to show you step by step how to actually put, like sew those in yourself. So you can put them in any ready-made garment. Now, if you're a sewing newbie, don't worry because I go through this step by step by step and we'll just do it all together over this weekend only. So it's only this weekend that the class is running, so that'll be February Saturday 10th and Sunday 11th of February. So you must sign up to actually join the class. So I'm going to put the link down below, of course, so you can actually sign up and then you'll get all of the class details and emails about it. So I'm really excited about it and I really hope that you are as well. It was very successful last time. Everybody really loved it and, you know, everybody had just pockets in everything after it. So it's a really simple, fun little workshop that'll give you a taste, a little sample of what refashioning and get you started doing it. So the link is below. If you go to evelynwood.com.au/pockets, pockets in everything, and then the link will be below as well, of course, and you can sign up there. So I really, really look forward to seeing you in class this weekend, and I hope to see you there. Okay, bye.